Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In today's lesson, we'll practice a few more points of pronunciation that are difficult for Japanese English speakers. Try to say these two words. If you're like most Japanese speakers, they probably sounded like this: hicha and hyucha. Let's look at the sounds in detail. Look at the IPA for the English word and the Japanese loan word. You can see there are a lot of differences. First, let's talk about stress. In English, the stress is on fi. That means that fi is longer, louder, and has different pitch. We show that with a kyong. Japanese doesn't use stress in that way. Instead, the pitch drops down after hi. We use an arrow to show that. One more difference. In Japanese, cha is long. Cha. The kong kong symbol says this is long, like Japanese nobashibo. But in English, the is short. Japanese loanwords usually change the sound to a long ah. I don't know why. It's strange. Let's fix those two problems in the Japanese pronunciation. Hicha, 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 hicha. A little closer. Now, let's look at each sound. The first sound in English is f, and the first sound in the Japanese version is h, h. They're different. The Japanese sound h uses two lips. We make a small space between them, h, h, and blow, h. English f, f uses the bottom lip and top teeth. F, 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 f. Let's fix those sounds. F, f. Japanese version. Hicha, hicha. More Englishy version. Ficha, ficha. Only two more changes left. These sounds are different too. Ch, ch. The English one sounds a little darker ch, than the Japanese one. Ch. The Japanese sound ch uses a high tongue and open lips. Ch, ch. Air goes over the tongue and hits the top teeth. The English uses a curled back tongue and round lips. The air hits the top and bottom teeth. Let's fix the ch sound. Ficha, 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 ficha. We need to change the Japanese a to an English but we're lucky because is very easy to make after a ch sound. We make in the same place as ch. We just use our voice. Very easy. Ch, chur, chur, chur. Now we finished fixing the word feature. Let's try it again, step by step, from the top. Hicha, hicha, hicha. Change the stress. Hicha. Change the F sound. Ficha, ficha. Change the ch sound. Ficha, feature. Then change the ah sound. Feature, feature. Now, let's change the word future. It's just a small change. Make sure to use the back vowel, u, not the Japanese u. Few, few, future, future. Let's try a sentence. We'll add more features in the future. We'll add more features in the future. Let's try the same process with the word information. Again, you can see that there are some big differences. The Japanese loanword, information, quite different. We'll start with stress. The Japanese word starts low, in, rises up, ho, and drops after me. It also makes the e long, which is almost like the English sound. The English word has a minor stress on in and major stress on may. The for and shun syllables have no stress, so the vowel changes to for shun. Let's make those changes in the Japanese word. So, pure Japanese loanword. Information, information. Small change. Information, information. The English word has n sounds. Japanese changes to a nasal vowel, in, on, at the end of a word and before fu. English doesn't do that. The English n is like nani nu ne no. Let's make those changes in the Japanese word. Information. Next step. Information. Information. Getting closer. Now, let's fix the f sound. Remember, the English sound uses your bottom lip and top teeth. F, f, f. We'll change that F sound in the Japanese version. So, our version so far. Information. Information. Next with F. Information. Information. The next step is to add the sound. Remember, we curl the tongue back and round the lips. One more change, and the Japanese word sounds really close to the English word. So, our version so far. Information. Information. Now adding information. Information. Getting really close. Careful, don't miss that first sound. The English word uses the lax vowel, I, not the tense vowel, E. It's lower and a little back. I. Relax when you say it. Let's change that first sound. So, our version so far. Information. New version. Information. Information. It's so close to the real English one, right? Now we'll look at that stressed sound. In Japanese, we make a long sound. In English, the tongue rises up. A. It's a diphthong. Nijuboin. Let's fix that. Information. Information. More English version. Information. information. That T-I-O, sh, needs some work. Remember, the tongue comes back for this sound. It's different from Japanese. The Japanese version, flat tongue, sha, sha, sha. English version, curled tongue, round lips, sh, sh, sh. That's our last change. Information. Slightly Japanese version. More English version. Information. Information. Let's try each change in order. This is a little difficult. First, Japanese loanword. Information. That had a little bit of English to it. Next, information. Now add the ends. Information. Information. Now add an F. Information. Now add Information. Now add I. Information. Now add A. Information. Now add the sh. Information. Information. Let's try a sentence. Give me some information about future features. Give me some information about future features. In the next lesson, we'll look at just one phrase and really try to make it perfect. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. See ya.